Alright guys, another day in the garage with the RX7 3-rotor build. Some more content coming at you. Today I got a special treat for you. I got a friend in town and I roped him in to helping me get stuff done. So we're going to accomplish some stuff today, some certain tasks, and the first one is blowing out the engine. So there's a lot of dirt and junk we're looking from traveling, and we want to make sure there's no dirt. So we're going to blow everything out. We're going to take off the intake, tape it off good so things can't get in there. The exhaust has rags in it, so I'm not too worried. Blow out the coolant stuff there because I see sand inside of that neck. And then we're going to work on a few items here. So we're going to get it done, as Brent just said. We have this electronic water pump kit here, our little water turbo, and we have the oil filter housing. We want to accomplish some of this stuff today, figure out an idea of how to get it set up and where to mount, and figure out some fittings, because the water system fittings that are on there now are not the same as this, but that's okay. We can figure something out. And then we can get a game plan, get a list of parts and pieces, and make sure we get it sorted. So far, we're struggling with 5 different sizes of hardware. The kit actually sends us the correct belt to run the alternator to that little crank pulley.
This, the tension.
So,
Clean it up.
no tensioner, better look, less belt, and use the alternator to keep it tight. That's a cool setup. I like that. And he'll just keep doing it.
I'm just gonna drop it there.
Brent is successful, I think.
Is that looking?
No, it's probably brand new.
Archaeology.
Well, look how clean the block is still, because it's literally never been ran.
I wonder if it's sandblasted, John.
Probably. All the machine work pictures that he sent me, dude, it was sweet. All the work they did inside that 20B was amazing. Just pausing for a minute to get the sprinkler system rolling. Life is good today. Nice and sunny outside. Okay, so we got the old Sakabomb aluminum piece. It's a very nice piece. It's super nice. We got RTV'd up. Oh no!
Right down.
Just push. Yeah, it's fine right there. Hopefully it touches all those spots. How did they expect you to get that?
Probably should remove that plate.
This bracket causing us problems because they're studs.
Nice little bit of goo coming out of everywhere.
Okay, as long as there's some goo so we know it's sealed. I guess if it all does fail and it does leak, it's not not too hard to replace. So Brent's been reading instructions on how to do this.
I know how to do all this stuff without instructions.
Yes, we have worked on all 20Bs ever built in the world. This is actually literally my first rotary I've ever owned or worked on. We got rid of the thermostat, and I'm glad we did, because it's kind of weird. That's why I want to take off other stuff. That's probably like atmosphere rust from Florida. Here it won't do that. I don't have humidity. I don't have moisture. That stuff don't happen here.
We just have sand.
Yeah, we just have sand. So there's a thermostat removal kit. We need some Loctite, which I have. And we got to do this thingy to this thing. And things are looking nice. And here's this little piece. We got to swap over the spring too. And hook up this back piece from the thermostat, right?
It says there's a C-clip at the bottom. I see no C-clip.
There's definitely no C-clip. What if we just cut it?
What if we gotta put it
But we got to put it back on with the C-clip. Or is there a C-clip in here? No.
Aftermarket thermostat.
Oh, there's a bolt. It don't matter. There's a nut. We just need to Loctite it. Okay. We don't need a C-clip.
Figuring it out.
So this thermostat did not have a clip. So we're just grinding off the top of the thermostat
Without hitting the plate.
Without hitting the plate, because we do need the plate. So just a little bit at a time. Okay, Brent was successful. Got the little spring, got the top. That's what we need.
That's all we needed, I think.
Then I found the Loctite, finally. Then we got the kit. Creamy break, eating a little ice cream. Reading. Building.
Barely any push to it.
Okay.
Is that what you want to run with?
Yeah.
Say when.
I think that's it. We're just going. We'll just install it. We'll make it work, right?
See what happens. So everything goes on the bushing too. I think it, for this.
Gotcha. There's no bushing on it, so it's not there. So stand by on the thermal install, because we are probably missing that bushing the way it's looking. The good kit's failing us. Ah! It's alright, we get it sorted.
When I drove down to my base, while I blame the world's neglect,
We got the throttle body off. Wanted to make sure there wasn't like junk inside, so I'm going to tape that up, looking good, and then they'll able to help us run some wiring and all that fun stuff. And I'll put it on last when I need to. I'm just gonna sit here and watch Brent struggle with the alternator. It physically can't go down much farther, so you just gotta rotate it. I don't know.
Maybe, man.
Start. Hit it with your purse, as I read on comments online.
It's good.
It's perfect. It's fitting on nicely. I wonder if we could get something on that bolt just to help rotate it. We are successful. We're going to stretch it up, put a little tension on it. Then I will get some hardware to finish up the cover, since we were missing hardware for that. So things happening. I need to buy an AN wrench. I'm gonna have all these fittings. I should just buy one. Yeah, I do need Allen's. Alright guys, we're getting more stuff done. So productive day, I feel like. I'm getting an understanding of what is here and what we're fixing. I have a list of more things we need to fix, and parts and things I need to order so that I can get things done. Doesn't look too much different. Just got to get some more hardware for these things right here. I'm working on getting the manifold right now as we speak, so we can actually get the turbo set up there. I'm working on the front mount system here. The kind of V-mount intercooler set up. We got the throttle body. I need to do some wiring. I need to get a catch can. I believe it connects right here. So probably catch can, some AN, hose, and kits like that. There's some random plugs that are not hooked up. We'll have to get, and get some other parts from that water pump kit that didn't show up in the box. Looking good, and that we can get this 3-rotor rocking soon. Then we can work on all that stuff. Alright guys, if you're liking what you're watching, make sure you're hitting that subscription button and notification bell. And we got more content coming with this. Hopefully you liked what we were working on. Things are looking pretty good, and we're getting things sorted out nicely.